Culinary Arts. In the Culinary Arts program, you will be prepared for many employment opportunities related to food services. Specialized learning units cover the major areas of cooking and baking, including breakfast items, stocks, soups and sauces, salads and dressings, sandwiches, fruits and vegetables, cooking poultry, meat and fish, and preparing specialty items. Embedded in the culinary program is instruction on baking cookies, breads, pies, cakes, and other baked goods. Experience is also gained in front-of-house skills, including waiting on tables and cashiering, care and use of kitchen equipment, nutrition, food purchasing, and sanitation in food handling. Students also study the supervisory management skills needed in the food service industry. Students will gain practical experience by helping to operate and manage a complete restaurant that is open to the public and a catering service right on the BCTC campus. Graduates of this program are well prepared for either entry-level opportunities in the food industry or for further education in a university program or at a culinary institute.